Hey everyone, as you guys know, if you guys seen my previous video, I just got this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Phantom Black color, and I'm still waiting on my D brand carbon fiber skin for this S21 Ultra, but it's never too early to put a case on this device because this is not a cheap device and you want to get the maximum protection for it as early as possible so that you will have a very good looking and very pristine looking phone that won't have any scratches or scuffs or anything like that, just in case you accidentally drop it or something. And this by itself without the skin is not the most slippery, but it's not the most grippy either with this see, with this aluminum, the aluminum sides on the S21 Ultra. So here, this is the case, the first case we're going to look at. So this is the VANMASS crystal clear case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. You can get it on Amazon for $17.99 with Amazon Prime shipping. One of the reasons why I got this is because it has the military grade anti-drop protection, and the crystal clear case is it has some kind of it says optical research technology that it won't yellow out over time. And it looked like, from what I saw on the pictures, it had a really good protection. I mean, it has that military grade you know, anti-drop protection, but it also has like you know, the extra bumpers and cushions on the side, and it has extra protection for the camera lens and the screen. So let's take a look at it now. Okay, so right here inside the packaging, you see that you get your VANMASS VIP service. Let's take this out. As you guys can see, so you can pause that, read it for yourself. V care, we care. And then on the back it says steady every step. You have this foam protecting the case. That's pretty good. So the case has protection and the case protects the phone, huh? All right, so here is the case by itself. Looks like it has the, what do you call that? The I could kind of see, I don't know if my camera's picking it up. It's got that micro dot pattern, although you can barely see it, that prevents like that oil slick look effect when you have the on your phone on a regular case. Make sure I don't have any dust or lint. And it's got good grip from what I can see so far. And see, here's the extra bumpers that I was talking about on the sides. So let's just put it on. It snaps into place, not the tightest, but it isn't that loose, as you can see here from the sides. And you might not, but not really, you won't get too much lint creeping into the sides of the case. And since we're here in the front, as you can see, there is plenty, way plenty of lip protection around all the sides, the left, the top, the right side or left side, and then the bottom. Plenty of lip. Okay, then here in the back, see, you got your camera lens. There's even extra lip around the camera lens. So now if you lie your phone on its back, you probably won't, it's more flatter, you won't get the rocking effect, as you can see, because now with this case it evens it out, as you can see right here, more onto the side, how it evens it out by with all this extra lip right here where the camera lens is, on the side of the camera lens. And then here on each corner is that bumper protection, as you can see. This case has really nice grip to it, so I'm pretty happy with that so far. Here's all the bumper protection and all the corners. cutouts, starting with the top. It looks like the cutouts are good to go. Microphone holes are good to go. And any other cutouts for microphones? Nope. On the sides. Here on the bottom, our cutout for the USB-C port is good, and the speaker hole lines up. We're going to test the buttons, starting with the power button. Oh yeah. The power button is good to go, and it's got a good clicky feel to it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Probably not, because the microphone is on me and not on the camera. And test out the power buttons or the volume buttons. Volume buttons are good, nice and clicky, very tactile. Why don't I hear any sound? It says it's on. Complete your device setup. So my phone is still getting set up at the time. So buttons are nice and clicky and very responsive. And as you can see here from the side view, they do stick out some from the sides. So they're not really flush with the case. So they should be pretty easy to feel them out, even when you're not looking at them. So all around, it's pretty good. Buttons are good to go. Let's test out the ports, starting with the USB-C port. Okay, so here are my two USB-C cables. The white one is a regular Samsung USB-C cable, and the black one is a Samsung fast charging cable. And you can see the difference in thickness on these two cables, right? So the white one is not plugged to anything, but let's just see if we snaps into place real easily. Yes, it does. As you can see. Now the fast charging cable is connected to the power brick, so we should get something. There you go. So no issues with the ports. Now we don't have a headphone port to test out, not like on my LG V60. Should we test out a dongle? I mean, it's the same as the USB-C, right? But let's test it. So this is I can't remember what the name of this dongle was. What, KZ or something like that. It's supposed to be it has like a little DAC inside here, and as you can see, it fits, and the screen did go on, so no problem with the dongle. All right. Okay, so right over here is my Samsung fast wireless charger, and let's test it out. And as you can see, it does work upside down. It works upside down. Portrait or landscape does work. The other landscape, here we go. It does work. So no issues with a fast wireless charger, as you guys can see, or not. Let me show you. Zoom in. As you guys can see, so fast wireless charging is not a problem, or wireless charging in general. So that is our look at this VANMASS crystal clear military grade anti-drop protection case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It has a double buffer corners. It's anti-yellow. It's supposed to be anti-yellow. It's got good lip around both the front and the back for your screen, and the back of your phone for the cameras. And did I say, yeah, it has military grade protection. So regular military grade protection is good for like drops of up to, like, depending on which one. I'm not sure if this one says it. I should have just checked, huh? It's probably on average like 4 feet, because it doesn't say like the extreme or 10 feet drop or whatever. So they have done like 3,000 plus natural drop tests, 3,500 plus side impact tests, it says on the on their Amazon page. Optically clear, 10 times resistant to yellow. So this case is 2 thumbs up. It's good to go. If you guys are interested in this case, I will put a link in the description. It's $17.99 with Amazon Prime shipping. So if you guys are interested, please use the link in my description, as it does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Foundation. And that is about it for this video. If you guys got value out of this video, if you been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.